Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect roux for your chicken pot pie. A roux is a fundamental thickening agent, essential for creating that rich, creamy filling everyone loves. It's simply a cooked mixture of fat and flour. For a delicious pot pie, you'll want to use equal parts fat, like 2 tablespoons of butter or rendered chicken fat and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This simple combination forms the foundation of your savory sauce. First, grab a heavy-bottomed saucepan. This helps distribute heat evenly. Place it over medium-low heat. Now, add your chosen fat, perhaps 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter or some rendered chicken fat for extra flavor. Let it melt completely. You want it shimmering gently, but not browning. This ensures a smooth, consistent base for your roux, preventing any burnt flavors from developing in your delicious pot pie filling. Once your fat is melted, it's time to add the flour. Gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Keep whisking constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll notice the mixture thickening and becoming a pale, sandy color. This cooking process is crucial because it cooks out the raw flour taste, ensuring your pot pie filling is smooth, flavorful, and free from any starchy aftertaste. Don't let it brown too much for a light roux. Your roux is ready when it has a smooth, paste-like consistency and a slightly nutty aroma. For a chicken pot pie, we aim for a light roux, which will create a beautifully creamy, pale sauce. To incorporate it into your filling, gradually whisk in warm liquid, such as chicken broth or milk, a little at a time. This technique prevents lumps and ensures a perfectly smooth, rich, and delicious pot pie filling every single time. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.